Welcome to the Valkyra YouTube channel. Today we will install n8n locally. Watch this video until the end. First, open your web browser now. Search for n8n on GitHub website. Open the first official link here. This is the verified n8n repository. A repository is like a project folder. Check the stars for its authenticity. Scroll down to the quick start. We must install Node.js first now. It helps run JavaScript outside browser. Click the link to open Node.js. Go to the official download section. Select version 22. Download the installer for your system. Open the downloaded file to install. Follow the standard installation steps now. It installs like any other software. Click Finish when installation is done. Now go to your Windows search bar. Type Node in the search bar. Open the Node.js command prompt here. This is where we run commands. We will paste our installation command. I will put the command in the description. You can check it there, or simply take a screenshot. This specific version is very stable. You can also try the latest version, but this one avoids potential issues. Press Enter to start the installation. Wait for the process to finish. n8n is successfully installed here. You can run directly here. Just type n8n and press Enter. Or you can close this prompt. Search for Node.js prompt again. Open it and type n8n. Again, press Enter to start the server. The local server will start now. Copy this local host link from here. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. Paste this link in your browser. Press Enter to open the interface. Now the n8n interface is open. Create your account for first use. Enter your email and your name. Choose a very strong, secure password. Use 8 characters with 1 number. Also include 1 capital letter here. Fill the setup form quickly now. Click on Get Started to proceed. This is your main dashboard area. Create your own workflow from here. Click on the Create Workflow button. This is your automation design canvas. Every step is called a node. Nodes are building blocks of automation. Click plus to add new nodes. Search for any tool you need. For example, search for LLM nodes. These are for AI language models. There are unlimited nodes available here. Everything is ready for your automation. That is all for today's tutorial. We successfully installed n8n locally now. In next video, we build workflows. Subscribe to Valkyra for more content. See you in the next video.